Stop settling for cold beans and soggy sandwiches. Cut of meat. I've spent months testing the most insane, high-performance camp kitchen gear on Amazon that'll turn your next trek into a 5-star outdoor resort. From a literal stovetop oven that bakes fresh bread in the woods to a cordless rotisserie that doesn't need a single battery, these 25 picks are about to revolutionize how you eat in the wild. Today, we're counting down the top 25 Amazon camp kitchen and survival cooking gadgets that actually deliver on the hype. Whether you're a hardcore overlander, a weekend hiker, or a backyard pitmaster, I found the gear that'll make you the hero of the campfire. I've linked every single one of these in the description below, including my ultimate gear blueprint, so you can snag these Amazon deals before they sell out and prices spike. Quick pause, fam. Check this out. According to the latest analytics, over 95% of you watching right now aren't part of the survival tribe yet. That means you're seeing these tactical gear drops, but you're missing out on the limited-time Amazon lightning deals and hidden survival hacks I only share with the crew. Do me a huge favor, smash subscribe, turn on that bell, and drop a comment saying I'm in, so I can personally welcome you to the squad. First up, let's talk fire. The Utensil Camping Campfire Grill is a heavy-duty beast disguised as a lightweight backpacker's dream. Built from heat-resistant iron with a 304 stainless steel rack, this isn't some flimsy disposable tray. It gives you 173 square inches of cooking space, perfect for a solo steak or a duo of skewers. It collapses flat as a pancake, sliding into your pack without a second thought. If you value durability over everything, this is your ironclad solution for a backyard barbecue or a deep woods bonfire. Charcoal or real wood? What's your go-to fuel for the perfect campfire flavor? Tell me your secret in the comments. If the Utensil is for the soul, the Coleman Triton Plus is for the professional chef. This is 22,000 BTUs of raw cooking power. With InstaStart ignition, you can leave the matches at home. What sets this apart is the precision. Independent burners with perfect heat technology mean you can simmer a sauce on one side while searing a burger on the other. It's rust-resistant, shielded by dual wind guards, and fits a full 12-inch pan. It's not just a stove, it's a mobile kitchen command center. Is a 2-burner stove a must-have or too much for your camping style? Type Pro for 2 burners or Minimal for 1. Now, I know tracking down 25 separate Amazon links can be a headache when you're trying to build the perfect loadout, so I've made it incredibly easy for you. I've made a dedicated Gumroad page for you guys where the entire gear collection is available in one place. It includes all the resources and the ultimate gear blueprint I mentioned in my videos. If you're interested, simply check the description and open the link provided there. Let's hit that growth goal together. Now, let's get back to the list because product number 3 is an absolute essential for anyone who hates a messy campsite. Stop digging through your backpack for a stray fork. The Freehiker 27-piece set is the ultimate organizational hack. We're talking professional-grade stainless steel, chef's knives, paring knives, tongs, scrapers, and even flatware for 4. Everything is tucked into a 4-pound reinforced travel bag. Whether you're in an RV or at a picnic table, having the right tool for the job makes you the hero of the campsite. This is the difference between struggling and thriving. What's the one kitchen tool you always forget to pack? For me, it's the can opener. Let's hear yours. This is the game changer I promised. The Rawusi Portable Vacuum Sealer. Why take up space with bulky containers? This 290-gram cordless wonder seals your food to stay fresh 6 times longer. It's got a 60 kilopascals vacuum pull that's strong enough for steaks, but has a pulse mode for delicate berries. On a 4-day trek, this keeps your protein safe and your pack leak-proof. It's rechargeable via power bank, making it a mandatory piece of tech for the modern prepper. Would you use this to meal prep for a hike or to save leftovers? Comment prep or save below. Backpackers, listen up. The OMNIA Mess Kit is the gold standard for ultralight efficiency. At just 1 pound, you get a 1-liter pot, a frying pan, bowls, and a spork. It's made of anodized aluminum. It heats up fast and cleans even faster. For under $20, you're getting a full-service kitchen that fits in the palm of your hand. It's the highest value for money kit on Amazon right now, hands down. Smash that like button if you've ever had a mess kit disaster with cheap gear. Let's see how many of us have been there. If you need boiling water now, you need the Fire Maple Star X2 Pro. This system uses a high-efficiency heat exchanger that cuts boiling time by 30%. It's a 2.2 kilowatts beast that weighs only 19 ounces. The best part? It performs exactly like the high-end competition, but at nearly half the price. It's compact, wind-resistant, and built for those who value every second and every ounce in their pack. Coffee or dehydrated meals? What are you boiling water for first thing in the morning? Tell me your trail routine. Forget buying bags of ice that just turn into a soggy mess. The Ivation electric cooler uses thermoelectric technology to keep your drinks 15 degrees below the outside temp. It's a soft-sided, 18-liter bag that plugs directly into your vehicle's 12V outlet. It's the perfect companion for road trips or base camp setups where you want a cold one waiting for you without the ice melt headache. Are you team electric cooler or team old school icebox? Let's settle this in the comments. For the solo minimalist, the Fire Maple Frost Mini is the less is more king. Weighing only 186 grams, that's less than a smartphone. This pot and fry pan combo is all about speed and simplicity. It's designed to nest perfectly with your gas canister to save every millimeter of space. If you're pushing for a personal best on the trail, this is the gear that won't hold you back. How light is your pack usually? Drop your base weight below. I want to see who the real ultralight masters are. Now, if you're setting up a serious base camp, you need a headquarters. The Vever Camping Kitchen Table is a massive 68-inch fold-out station. It's got 3 storage cupboards for your free hiker set, a dedicated grill station, and a windscreen. While it's not for the hike-in crowd, for RVers and family campers, this level of organization is legendary. Just keep it on level ground, and you'll have the best kitchen in the woods. Could you live out of this setup for a month? I think I could. Comment living if you're ready to move into the wild. Now, the Bodega 2 burner stove. This is where rugged meets refined. 20,000 BTUs, stainless steel construction, and deep inner grooves for superior wind resistance. It's only 3.5 pounds, but handles 2 12-inch pans simultaneously. The build quality here is top tier. It's rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and designed to be the last camping stove you ever buy. It's the ultimate closer for your gear collection. You've seen all 10. If you could only pick one to take on a survival mission, which is it? Go! Coming in at number 11, we have the foundation of any elite campsite, the Rainsy's Foldable Grill Table. Now, don't confuse this with those flimsy plastic card tables. This is a tactical-grade mesh desktop engineered to handle 200 pounds of gear while weighing only 10 pounds itself. Because of that heat-resistant coating, you can slap your scorching hot portable grill directly onto the surface without melting a hole in your setup. It's got 3 adjustable height settings, perfect whether you're sitting on a low stool or standing over the barbecue. If you're an RV traveler or a tailgater, this 3-foot powerhouse is the rock-solid workspace you've been looking for. Are you a stand-up griller, or do you prefer to cook while chilling in your camp chair? Comment stand or SIT. Let's see the stats. Who says you can't have fresh bread in the wilderness? The Red Camp Foldable Camping Oven is a 304 stainless steel marvel that turns any heat source, wood, charcoal, or propane, into a convection baking chamber. It's a 2-tier system, meaning you can bake muffins on top while warming a pizza on the bottom. It folds completely flat, yet once assembled, it holds a steady 350 to 425 degrees. For my survivalist crew, this is a top-tier emergency prep item. Imagine the morale boost of fresh, warm rolls during a blackout or a week-long trek. This isn't just a luxury, it's a game-changer for outdoor nutrition. What's the first thing you'd bake in the wild? Pizza, cookies, or fresh biscuits? Tell me below. If your camp kitchen looks like a gear explosion, you need the Kelty Camp Galley Deluxe. This is the mission control of organization. Made from rugged 600D polyester, it hangs from your car door, a tree branch, or a canopy frame. It features a dedicated paper towel holder, zippered compartments for your sharpest knives, and even a waterproof trash pocket. Weighing just over a pound, it centralizes everything. No more digging through plastic bins for a spatula. If it's in the galley, it's right in front of your face. This is professional-level efficiency for the serious overlander. On a scale of 1 to 10, how messy is your camp setup right now? Be honest. 1 is surgery room and 10 is chaos. Next is a piece of engineering that honestly feels like magic. The Roto Q360 is a non-electric rotisserie kit. No batteries, no wires, just pure mechanical genius. You wind it up, and it rotates your food for up to 60 minutes straight. It holds up to 5 pounds, perfect for a whole chicken or a basket full of wings. Whether you're using a gas grill or an open fire, this gives you that gourmet, slow-roasted flavor anywhere on Earth. It's eco-friendly, made of food-grade stainless steel, and is a massive flex for any backyard barbecue or survival camp. Rotisserie chicken or flame-grilled steak. If you had to choose one for your last meal in the wild, what's it gonna be? Poultry leg versus cut of meat. For the mobile adventurer, the Top Gem Organizer Bag is the ultimate grab-and-go solution. This isn't just a bag, it's a 5-compartment tactical caddy. It's built from heavy-duty Oxford fabric and features a removable zipper pouch and specialized mesh pockets for spices and plates. The cool part? The hanging system is designed specifically for overlanders. It clips onto roof racks, tailgates, or poles without getting in the way. It even has a weather-protected paper towel slot. If you move camp every night, this is the gear that keeps your flow uninterrupted. Smash that subscribe button if you're a fan of tactical-looking gear. Let's grow this preparedness squad to 1 million. Space is the ultimate currency when you're packing, and the Anjuk 4-in-1 Prep Tub is the best investment you'll make. This 8-liter basin is a total chameleon. It's a wash sink with a built-in drain plug, a marinating tub for your meats, a drink chiller, and the lid doubles as a non-slip cutting board. When you're done, it collapses down to just 3 centimeters. You can slide it under a car seat or into a side pocket. It's BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and replaces 4 bulky items in one shot. Genius! Would you use this more as a sink or a drink cooler? Comment clean or chill below. Now, if you want the big boss of portable grilling, the Coleman Road Trip 285 is the undisputed heavyweight. 20,000 BTUs across 3 independently adjustable burners gives you 285 square inches of professional cooking space. But the real win? The stand-up design. No more crouching over a tiny grill on the ground. It's got quick fold legs and wheels, so it handles like a piece of luggage. It's got a built-in thermometer and a 3-year warranty. If you're serious about your tailgate or base camp feast, this is the gold standard of portable power. How many people are you usually cooking for when you camp? 1 to 2, or a whole squad? Let me know. Survival food doesn't have to be bland. The Heichmann Portable Spice Set is a 9-piece arsenal for your taste buds. You get 4 glass bottles for your liquids and 5 food-grade plastic shakers for your rubs and salts. Everything is organized in a waterproof 900D Oxford bag. It even has a separate pocket for your dish soap or oil. It's pre-labeled, organized, and ensures your camp meals taste like a 5-star restaurant. This is the detail that separates the amateurs from the pros. What are the 3 spices you cannot live without? Mine are garlic, smoked paprika, and black pepper. Go! For the dedicated overlanders, this is the holy grail. The Shawajan slide-out system turns your SUV into a permanent mobile kitchen. This wooden masterpiece unfolds into a 70-inch workspace in under 60 seconds. It features a folding sink, a stove platform, and dedicated utensil hooks. It's built like a tank with a 200-pound capacity. If you're living the #van life or doing long-term car camping, this all-in-one box is the single best upgrade you can give your vehicle. It's professional, permanent, and absolutely impressive. Is this your dream setup, or do you prefer portable gear? Type slide out if you want this in your rig. Now, at number 20, we have the Eagle Peak Storage Table. Think of this as a closet and a kitchen table in one. Underneath the waterproof work surface is a 3-tier organizer with zippered doors to keep the bugs and dust off your food. It's got 6 side pockets for your EDC gear and sets up in seconds. It's lightweight, rust-proof, and gives you that home away from home feeling. It's the perfect way to wrap up our top 20 list, keeping you organized, prepared, and ready for anything. Out of all 20 products today, which one are you clicking the link for first? Tell me your number 1 pick in the comments. Listen, if you're spending 12 hours smoking a brisket just to let it dry out on a cold picnic table, you're doing it wrong. Meet the EZ BBQ Blanket. This isn't just a bag, It's a heavy-duty, heat-reflective vault for your hard work. Measuring 21 inches wide, it's built for the big boys, briskets, pork shoulders, and full racks. The magic is in the moisture retention. It forces the fibers to reabsorb those juices instead of letting them evaporate. Whether you're at a high-stakes tailgate or a remote campsite, this is how you get that competition-grade tenderness every single time. It's wiped clean, folds flat, and is a total essential for the gearhead pitmaster. What's your white whale of barbecue? Brisket, ribs, or pulled pork? Drop your pick below. I'm looking for the best recipe in the comments. This next one is a literal game changer for campsite hygiene. The mighty sink. Forget the bucket and hose struggle. This is a patented, freestanding wash station with a built-in electronic faucet. It uses a dual reservoir system, one for fresh water, one for gray water, so you aren't dumping soapy mess all over your campsite. One charge gives you over 550 washes, and the 10-second auto stop is genius for conserving water in the backcountry. It's impact-resistant, UV-protected, and even comes with a paper towel holder and drying rack. If you want to turn a rugged camp into a functional kitchen, this is the #1 piece of tech you need. No plumbing, no excuses. Is a portable sink a luxury or a necessity for long-term camping? Type luxury or must-have below. Why settle for a plastic spork when you can have a full culinary arsenal? The Gaealoop 16-piece set is a deep dive into kitchen efficiency. We're talking high-grade stainless steel, mandolins, egg separators, pastry brushes, and precision knives. Everything is organized into a moisture-resistant Oxford bag that's built to survive the elements. This kit is for the camper who actually cooks, not just rehydrates. It's compact enough for an RV drawer, but professional enough for a backyard feast. If you're serious about your survival tribe meals, don't let a lack of tools hold your recipes back. Smash that like button if you're the designated camp chef of your group. Let's see who's carrying the squad. Inspired by the legendary Japanese Skyline GTR, the Tokyo Camp Hakusuka is a minimalist masterpiece. It weighs a mere 2.1 pounds and folds down to the size of an A4 piece of paper. Don't let the slim profile fool you. This stainless steel beast supports up to 44 pounds of firewood or heavy Dutch ovens. It's the ultimate setup for solo backpackers or motorcycle tourers who demand A-grade performance without the bulk. It's fast, it's iconic, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. This isn't just a fire pit. It's a statement piece for your outdoor aesthetic. Japanese minimalism or American heavy duty? Which gear style do you prefer? Comment Japan or USA. And finally, the legend itself, the OMNIA stovetop oven. This Swedish-engineered marvel is how you bake anything on a standard camp burner. No electricity, no bulky trailer oven required. It uses a clever 3-piece convection design to circulate heat from the bottom and top simultaneously. Bread, casseroles, pizza, or even brownies. The OMNIA handles it all with 2.1 quarts of capacity. It weighs less than 2 pounds and is a staple in the global overlanding community. If you want to eat like a king while living in a tent, this is your secret weapon. It's simple, it's effective, and it's a total crowd pleaser. We just covered 25 of the world's best camp kitchen gadgets. Which one are you adding to your Amazon cart right now? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to join the mission to 1 million. There you have it, the top 25 Amazon camp kitchen and survival tools that are redefining outdoor cooking in 2026. From the massive road trip to 85 grill to that tiny, brilliant OMNIA stovetop oven. These are the upgrades your base camp has been begging for. Every single one of these game changers is linked in the description below. Using those links is the absolute best way to support the channel and keep these deep dive reviews coming. Direct hit grab them now before the summer camping rush hits and prices start climbing. Stay prepared, stay hungry, and I'll see you out on the trail. This is Gear Lab, signing off. Evergreen Tree Fire.